is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage. And today, as you can see behind me, it's not my Subaru. This is a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 with a 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel in it. We're gonna hold for a second. That's good. Alright, as I was saying, this is a Dodge Ram 2500 with a 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel in it. And today we're going to be doing a few little minor things to it. First, we're going to be putting a new radiator in it, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. And we're also going to be fixing an oil leak. So, first, before we start tearing into the truck, let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you guys down here with the mobile camera. And it's kind of hard to see, but that timing cover, it's leaking. It's leaking pretty good. So is that front cam seal. So we're going to put in a front cam seal, and we're going to reseal that front timing cover. Also, over here, here's our new radiator. We've got ourselves a nice Mishimoto radiator that we're going to put in. So we're going to replace the stock one with these plastic end tanks for an all aluminum radiator. He really wants an all aluminum radiator, so we're going to put one in. So first, we're already starting to drain the coolant. So I'm going to get this coolant drained, and then we're going to get this radiator removed. new radiator unboxed and the old one right here. So it was leaking from somewhere over here. It had a crack in the plastic end tanks, causing it to leak coolant, and he wanted it replaced. So we got this one out. Here's our new one, Mishimoto all aluminum radiator. So we shouldn't have to worry about cracking plastic end tanks anymore. So let's go ahead and start tearing apart that timing cover. Alrighty guys, before we start, fix that. Alrighty guys, before we start tearing apart this timing cover, let's have a little look real quick. So we've got the crank pulley, which we'll have to take off, the PCV, which needs to come off, and then this outer cover that'll have to come off. And we're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning. So as you guys can see down there, it's really, really, really dirty. So this is nothing. I'm about to get covered in dirt, so let's go ahead and start cleaning and tearing this thing apart. I'll check back in with you guys once I have the cover off, and we'll show you guys what I'm gonna do to clean it so we can reseal it. What is going on, guys? Checking back in. I forgot to film me cleaning everything, but I'll show you guys what we got going on in here. So we got timing case all clean. I've actually got a wear sleeve installed on this crank because this crank's a little bit worn. So I have the wear sleeve on. We have the timing cover all cleaned on both sides. You'll see the other side when I put it back in. I still gotta put the crankshaft seal in, which I'm gonna do right now, and then we're gonna put this whole thing back in the car. from the future. You just saw my Dodge Cummins video where we put a radiator in it and we resealed the timing case. It ran really well when it was all done, no issues. I just actually checked on it the other day, still great, no leaks a couple months later. So that project is done and good to go. He's very happy with the results, and I think he's gonna be able to drive his truck for another 300, 400, 500,000 miles. So that's gonna end today's video. As you guys can see right now, the garage is a little bit messier than usual. We're actually right in the middle of remodeling some of it. You guys will see some of those changes come in future videos. I'll probably put out a little video of me tearing a few things down in here just because I like destroying stuff and it's fun. So I might put those videos out, we'll see. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to smash that like button if you like what you saw. It also allows other people on YouTube to see this content, so that way they get a chance to see what I'm doing in this garage. If you like what you saw and you wanna keep seeing more, remember to click that subscribe button down below. That way then you guys don't miss any future videos of Fix It Garage. Also be sure to check out all of my playlists I have. I have different playlists with different videos. You guys can see how this got built. You can see the head gasket videos from last week. You can see the CRV and a few other cars that I've worked on, and I'll also be having future projects come up. I've still got a very big project coming that I'm not gonna talk a lot about right now. You might start to see things in the background of some videos. They're gonna be under tarps, and I'm not gonna tell you guys about it till the time comes, but I cannot wait to share that with you. Also, if you go on Facebook and look up Fix It Garage, we have a Facebook page. Be sure to go subscribe or follow to that so you guys can see some other sneak peeks. I'm gonna be posting sneak peeks, videos, all that stuff on that page. Also, make sure you follow my Instagram, which is linked down below. That way then I can gain some followers and subscribers on Instagram. Again, more sneak peeks. That is gonna do it though, guys. I wanna thank all of you guys for watching, and remember that on any car that you own, you should never stop wrenching.